Thanks for clicking on that thumbnail to talk about how our universe was created. Obviously, number one concept that accepted by pretty much everybody is the Big Bang Theory. But I have another idea. So let's dive right in. Alright, so the general concept behind the Big Bang Theory is that a singularity formed with all the existing matter beforehand, and it combined, got superheated, and then exploded outwards, and in the expanse, as it started to cool, started forming stars, planets, elements, all the stuff that we see in our universe today. However, let's dive into that a little bit further. So, going back before the Big Bang, essentially, this vast universe was just littered with dust particles floating around everywhere. And they suddenly, collided, forming, small ball happened, gravity started taking over, gathered more and more dust particles, and then over billions to trillions of years, finally amassed such a large amount of particles that it collapsed in on itself, exploded outwards, and then that heat created a chain reaction, which then, created new elements. As they cooled down, they started forming again, and that's essentially how we got the stars, the planets, and all the elements that we know today. But seeing how the law of conservation of mass states that matter cannot be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction, how much dust particles or overall matter floating in the universe would have to combine into one to explode out and provide all the matter that we need to create this infinitely large universe that we can barely see? That does not make sense. Alright, so my theory is based around black holes. Now, most of us are aware that the idea of a black hole creating an Einstein-Rosen bridge or wormhole by no means a new theory. But where my theory comes in is, what if all the matter that is destroyed and sucked in does start to create an interdimensional vortex or funnel that continues to expand outward as the black hole gets bigger in circumference and mass? So does that interdimensional tunnel, as it digs and digs and digs until it reaches another plane of existence or universe, and then as it starts breaking through that plane, all that matter starts building and building and building, and then finally explodes through the other side like a singularity, and then spews all of that matter that was destroyed on one end to burst out forth and create new matter on the other. Based on how universe and life is, in general seems to work, the idea of death and destruction going side by side with life and creation just kind of seems to fit better than all the random dust particles forming together over trillions of years and finally exploding outwards. So anyhow, that's just another one of my intoxicating ideas. Hope you enjoyed it. If so, please like and subscribe for more, and look forward to seeing you on the next one.